Hey guys, I wanted to take a quick minute and tell you a little bit about Ariel's marketing course. I was a little nervous about purchasing another course. I'd bought one on Facebook ads before and never got any real value out of it. It basically just told me things that I already knew. But something unique about Ariel's course is that she really takes the time to help explain and drill down your perfect client. And whenever you start advertising, marketing, and kind of writing towards your perfect client, it makes them much more likely to come out and book you and see you, which makes you a lot happier because you have somebody that you actually want to work with. It was really neat working with Ariel. She really takes that personal approach and makes sure that you understand exactly what's going on, and she walks you through it step by step in her modules to make sure that you know and that you really can figure out what you're supposed to be doing. A few specific things I can mention that have really helped is an increase in leads. Relevant leads, I should say. A worthless lead doesn't going to help you any, but a targeted lead, somebody that you know is ready and willing to book, and that you know is going to like your personality and your sense of your style of photography, is just invaluable. It's perfect getting in front of that audience, and people pay a ton of money to get in front of the people that they actually are supposed to be marketing to and that they want to attract. If I was talking to someone who would want to take this course, I would say go for it. You've got nothing to lose. It really is valuable. It's going to give you good information, and it's something that you can take with you not only through your photography business, but into other areas of your life as well.